welcome to daiwik. I'm Daiwik and this is my friend, my world. He is an interactive world map and a toy to learn about the different countries of the world. Today, I'm going to tell you about India with my friend, my world. Let's start. First, let's start by the country's capital, India's capital. Let's see. Open that.
Hello, and welcome to my world.
Hi.
Press the function button to begin.
Okay, I'll press India's capital or capital country.
Let's learn about countries and their capital cities. Press the name of the country to hear.
India's here, so I'll press India.
India, officially the Republic of India. Its capital city is New Delhi.
New Delhi, that's my favorite spot in India. Now, let's talk about the flag of India. The flag?
Let's learn about each country's national flag. Press the flag to hear the name of the country.
Do you know what is the flag? What the flag of India look like? Let's see. I know it's in Asia because it's in the east side of the world. So Asia is in the east side too. So it's need to be in the east side here. Here it is.
The flag of India.
Yeah, I did it correct. The India flag color is orange, white, and green, and it has a Ashoka chakra here in the middle of the flag. Now let's see about the population of India. Let's press this.
Let's learn about each country's population. Press the name of the country to hear.
Okay, my friend, I want to learn about the population of India. Let's press it.
India has a population of around 1,308,000,000 people.
1,308,000,000 people? That is so big population. I'm going to throw up my brain if I have 1,308,000,000 people inside my brain. Now, let's talk about let's see what is the main language of India.
Let's learn about each country's languages.
Okay.
Press the name of the country to hear.
Okay, India.
In India, Hindi and Bengali are the main languages, but there are many other regional languages.
Okay, Hindi and Bengali are the most religionist languages. Okay, now let's talk about the India's landmark, the most famous landmark of India.
Let's learn about the important landmarks of each country. Press the name of the country to hear.
India again.
Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal is a famous monument in India.
Taj Mahal, that's my favorite monument. That is so cool, my friend. Now let's see some fun facts about India.
Let's learn some fun facts of each country. Press the name of the country to hear.
India
Did you
again.
know that the famous board game, chess, is believed to have originated in India, being derived from the Indian game of chaturanga.
Wow, chess was originated in India. That's so cool. Let's review about the things we learned about India with my friend. Okay, the country's capital is New Delhi. The flag of India is right here. It's orange, white, and green, and it has a Ashoka chakra here in the middle. And what is the population? It's 1,308,000,000 million people. That's a lot. And the famous landmark in India is Taj Mahal. One fun fact about India is that chess was originated in India, and it was like the old game. It's like the old game of chaturanga. Now I forgot the language. Okay. Now let's talk about the language. What is the two main languages of India? It is Hindi and Bengali. Okay. Now, if you want more information of all of the different countries, I will publish more like videos of different countries. Please subscribe, ring the bell. See you next time. Bye!